services or time transfer is available to the green line on the lower level. Doors opening on the left. Doors open. This is a red line train to Shady Grove. When going, move to the center of the car. The next stop is Brooklyn Catholic University. Set back. Doors closed.